Where are we going, Colonel?
We gotta get through to the pilot. Can you do it?
Yes, sir. Guard channel. Every aircraft has it. All right, get this thing up. Where are we going?
I don't know. Get us in the air.
Shouldn't we contact the command center, let them know we have the answer?
They don't care. They want to bury the town.
Oh, this is crazy.
They want their weapon.
They're gonna kill all those people.
Right, they want their
They're
weapon.
gonna sit there and watch all those awesome people die?
Yes, they want their weapon.
No.
Sandman, we're at the IP, commencing bomb run now.
3 minutes to target area, over.
Sandman, Viper Command, bomb releases go. I say again, bomb releases go, over.
Where are we going, Colonel? What are we doing now?
Get me on the guard channel. I want to talk to the pilot now.
Go.
To the aircraft approaching Cedar Creek, this is Colonel Sam Daniels. I'm a doctor with you. Sam, can you read me?
We read you, over.
Okay. You must not bomb this town. Son of a bitch, that little son of a bitch.
Sandman, this is Viper Command. You're being spoofed by comm chatter. Charlie Mike, over.
Viper Command, Sandman. Authenticate Hotel Alpha, over.
Sandman, this is Viper Command. I authenticate Juliet, over.
Unfortunately, your commanders do not have the current data. We do. We have an anti-serum. As we speak, it's being administered. Every infected person in Cedar Creek within a matter of hours will have their dosage, so you must abort the mission. This is urgent. Answer me. Do you read me? You cannot bomb this town. You must abort. I am talking to the pilots and the bomber. Do you read me? Do you read me?
There's he thinks.
You hear me?
Can he prevent the bombing? Can he cause them to avoid their run?
He gets away with the inbound aircraft, yes, sir.
Would you get something up in the air and blow him the Christ out of there? Now!
Sir, Major.
We must stop his transmission!
Do you read me? You must abort.
They won't answer you, Colonel. They've been trained not to.
You hear me, don't you guys? I'll say it one last time. These people that you're going to bomb are not the enemy. We can kill the virus without killing these people, and I swear to you on my soul that the President of the United States does not have the facts. He does not know that we have a serum that is working. Do you really think he wants to blow up the town? Oh, Christ, guys, if you think I'm lying, drop the bomb. If you think I'm crazy, drop the bomb. But don't drop the bomb just because you're following the orders. What you haven't been told is that your superiors have another agenda. Don't you understand that right below you in Cedar Creek, there's a
They're good buddies.
that they've been manufacturing
Atlas, the
illegally for
turtle,
last
and the
30 years.
Cosmos.
Hey, I guarantee you
Cosmos cleans
that the
his
disease
shell
is
off.
beyond the perimeters of this
The
town.
algae and
We're
turtle
in a state of national
allows
emergency.
him to do it. I
We
think
are
he even
under
likes it.
executive orders. See it through.
And if you incinerate Cedar Creek, you incinerate the serum. Billy, can you hear me? Why the hell don't you do something? Call this thing off. Don't kill all these people to protect your lie. This is murder, Billy, any way you fucking slice it. If you manipulate the truth, the president, the country, the Constitution, then it's not just a calendar killing. It's a big piece of the American soul, sir. Billy, why aren't you in Cedar Creek, man?
Colonel Daniels, this is General Ford. I remind you that you are interfering with presidential authority. Sandman has a specific line to the target. If you are in his way, he cannot complete his bombing run, and that will be held to pay. Do you understand? Over.
Why do you say
Very
that?
happy turtle.
He said, how about me?
Billy, are you dumb or something? You just told him how to stop the... Okay. Okay.
Colonel, there it is.